UGC NET 2022 application process has been started by the NTA for the December 2021 and June 2022 merged cycles. The application window will be open till May 20. Hence, you must complete the online application process on time. This video of shiksha.com brings to you the step-by-step process on how to fill the UGC NET application form 2022. The first step is to visit the official website of the UGC NET exam, which is ugcnet.nta.nic.in. Click on the registration link mentioned at the bottom of the home page. Read the instructions carefully and click on the agreement box before filling up the registration form. Fill up the UGC NET registration form by entering the required details followed by creating password, which should be between 8 to 13 characters with specifications. Enter the security PIN and submit. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Submission of the OTP will complete the UGC NET registration process and you will be redirected to the application form. Now complete the application form by filling up the personal details, Aadhaar details, exam center qualification and additional details. The next step is to upload the documents. You need to upload the scanned image of passport size photograph and signature as per the required specifications. The last and final step is the payment of application fees. Prior to that, you need to verify the email address by entering the OTP. The application fees has to be paid online through net banking, debit card, credit card or UPI. Select the payment gateway and proceed for the payment. Once the payment is done, take the printout of the confirmation page and save it for future reference. This was all about the UGC NET 2022 application process.
Do subscribe to our Shiksha YouTube channel to get more updates on exams.